हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। जैसे कि आप देख ही रहे हैं कि मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ और टाइटल भी आपने देख ही लिया है कि मैं सैलून जा रही हूँ हेयर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के लिए। बहुत टाइम हो गया था, मैंने बालों में कुछ कराया नहीं था। वैसे तो मैं कोई इवेंट होता तभी कराती हूँ, बट अभी लॉकडाउन में मैं घर पे थी और बालों की कंडीशन काफ़ी ख़राब हो रही थी, रफ हो गए हैं। तो मैं एक हेयर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के लिए जा रही हूँ जो आप इस वीडियो के एंड में देखेंगे। जिन्होंने मेरी मालदीव्स वाली सीरीज फॉलो किया है, बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा था कि मैंने वो ग्रीन कलर कहाँ कराया है, वो हाइलाइट्स कहाँ कराए हैं। मैं पोरबंदर जैसी बहुत ही छोटी जगह पे रहती हूँ। RE सैलून करके इस सैलून का नाम है और मैंने वहाँ से कराया था। पिछले 3 साल से मैं वहाँ पे जा रही हूँ और आज की जो वीडियो है वो भी कोलैब है वहाँ के ओनर जयम नंदानी के साथ। जयम नंदानी ने पूरे वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारी जगहों से हेयर टेक्निक सीखी हैं। टोनी गुय, विदाल ससून, सैम विलास, बहुत सारी जगहों से उन्होंने सीखा है। बहुत सारी जगह पे उन्होंने एक्सपीरियंस गेन किया है, काम किया है। और अगर आप गुजरात में रहते हैं तो राजकोट और पोरबंदर में उनके 2 सैलून्स हैं। आप जरूर उनके सैलून पे आइए और उनका काम देखिए, उनका काम बहुत ही अच्छा है। तो अभी रिसेंटली मानसून चल रहा है और जैम के बहुत ही अच्छे ऑफर्स चल रहे हैं, तो मैंने सोचा कि बालों की कंडीशन थोड़ी सी ठीक कराने वाली हूँ। बाल बहुत ही रफ हो रहे हैं, तो मैं ऑलरेडी वहाँ पहुंच चुकी हूँ और अभी अंदर चलते हैं और देखते हैं कि वो मेरे बालों में क्या मैजिक करने वाले हैं। उनके हाथ में सच में मैजिक है।
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
hello guys,
we'll go.
Yes, so what we're going to do today?
हेयर कट जो मैंने बताया था, एक तो वो
हेयर कट हो जाएगा और उसके बाद आपने पहले आई थिंक 8 मंथ प्रीवियसली कलर जो है सो टू ये थोड़े फ्रेजाइल हो गए और थोड़े ड्राई लग रहे हैं, मैसी लग रहे हैं। टू गेट इवन शेड विल गो फॉर maybe Botox. Hair Botox will be fine, and then later on after 4-5 months we'll go for again highlight the Bala or something like that.
okay.
Is that fine?
Yes.
So we'll give a haircut, nice haircut and a Botox. Alright guys, we're gonna use RE Professional Ultra Smooth Shampoo. So before you start a Botox, make sure you guys do a shampoo very thoroughly. Don't make rush for the shampoo. अगर बालों में ऑयल रहेगा तो फिर बोटॉक्स अच्छा नहीं होगा, रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं आएगा। Guys, we are using mineral water, so make sure कि in salon even you people use soft water, mineral water. We're gonna dry the hairs 100% and then we're gonna do a proper fast blow dry.
I wanna say something. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. I don't know where she came from, but goddamn I wanna say something. She a dime.
So here we are done with the blow dry and we are gonna start with Botox treatment.
Goddamn crime to look that damn fine.
So here is our Botox. We're gonna use this much, maybe around 60 ml or something. Start applying Botox from the back side. And let me tell you something about the Botox. Botox is really hair friendly treatment, which includes a micro keratin and a glycolic acid, which is really good and healthy for hair. And Botox contains maybe very lesser amount of chemical, or we can say hardly 2 or 3% of chemicals. Otherwise it's 98-97% of protein and keratin, micro keratin.
Smoothing और Botox में क्या difference?
So see, smoothing is a kind of a chemical treatment which will break your bones and it will restructure your hairs. That too, it's not harmful for hair. There are many myths about the straightening and rebonding. It's not good for hair or something like that, but it's not really as such. As it depends ki with whom you are going for, which brand. The person who is doing must be quite educated about that treatment or a process, so that it won't harm your hairs. And nowadays people are more going for Botox. In Botox you will get 50 to 70% of your hairs get straighter due to the weight of micro keratin, which is protein. So when gradually you will wash your hair, it's gonna fade out like 1%, 2% in each wash, and gradually after 90 or 120 days, that means 3 to 4 months, it's gonna fade out. Now coming to the front, so I'm taking a quite diagonal sections. I'm gonna apply the products very little and very even. Make sure you cover all the baby hairs. For those who got, you know, very frizzy hairs, very curly hairs, they cannot, you know, they won't get straighter effect in the Botox. So for those kind of hairs, one should always go for, you know, Kerabond, which is a new trend. It's a fusion of bonding and keratin. So first of all, we have completed with the hair wash, and now applying the liquid of Botox, which we're gonna keep it for maybe 20 hours, and tomorrow we'll fill this Botox with the help of ironing machine. Then you're gonna wash your hairs, and then the Botox is done. So it's way too easy. And for the beginners, those who don't know how to do rebonding or, you know, straightening or something like that, then they must try in the salons with the Botox, because it's very easy to apply and there is nothing, you know, technical much about it. So we are going for a diagonal sections. I'm applying the product in a circular motion. Just emulsify with your fingers, just comb it a bit so that it penetrates in each and every hair. Alright, we are done with the application. Now we're gonna comb the hair towards back side. We're gonna cover the hair with a clean film.
How much time I have to do this?
We're gonna keep it for 20 hours.
Just clean them also?
No. The cleaning level will be of 30-35 minutes. Then we are done for the day one. And ma'am, try to, you know, avoid sweating and everything, because it's quite a monsoon day, so humidity level is too high. So avoid water in your hairs, and, you know, if possible, don't shower tomorrow till we do the second process. Yeah? Okay, alright, thank you. So welcome back, guys, and today is our second day of the Botox, and we're gonna start with our third step, that is, you know, sealing of the keratin and glycolic acid. So we're gonna do ironing with very thin sections. As the ends are, midline to ends are colored, so we're gonna give the temperature at 190, so it won't burn any ends. And I'm gonna stroke it for 15 to 18 times per section. So we have to do it very slowly and steadily.
I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best, die with no regrets, live with every breath, see my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams. Then you hit.
So we are almost done with the back section. Now we'll be going to the front.
Through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow till
We are almost done. This is the last section which is remaining. Can't wait to see the final result. Now after this we are going for hair wash, and then we are done with the Botox, and we'll see the after results. Alright, so this is the last step for the second day. This is the fourth step. We are doing shampooing. See, guys, we are done with the Botox, and see the result, how the hairs are looking. It's very shiny, very smooth.
Color is looking more prominent, and
Yeah.
the work is really amazing.
So guys, see you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great day.